Here's how you can retrieve deleted messages on Messenger. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can retrieve or recover deleted messages on Messenger. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to your Facebook. And once you're in Facebook, just go to your menu and scroll down a bit until you see settings and privacy. Just press on it and go to settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you see the option of download your information. Just press on this option and then just press continue. And here you will be able to see the option of download or transfer information. Just press on it and then just select your account. So this is the Facebook account that I'm gonna use. So obviously I made my Facebook account for my Messenger, so this is used on both ways. Just press next and then just press on specific types of information. And once you go over here, you will be able to see the option of messages. Press on messages and then press next. And then just choose what's best for you. So I'm just gonna choose download to device. And then it's gonna ask for the format. So format should be HTML for me. It's up to you what format you want. And then date range. It's up to you what date range you want to keep. So for me, let's say last week or maybe all time if you want. So just press on whatever suits you and then just press on the media quality. So if you want the media quality to be high, just press on high or just keep it medium just like me and then press create files. So it's gonna take a while, and here you are able to see that it's telling us that it may take some time. But yeah, once you press on create files, and here as you can see, you have now requested to Facebook that to download your retrieve deleted messages. So yeah, so once Facebook get this email or information, they will be able to give you your deleted messages and you will be able to retrieve it. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can retrieve deleted messages on Messenger. I hope this video helped you out. Like, share and subscribe. Until then, goodbye and peace out.